Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. I'm Prashant and today I have developed a BMI calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So BMI means body mass index. So this calculator can be used to calculate BMI values based on the height and the weight. BMI is fairly reliable indicator of body fatness for most of the people. So firstly I'll talk about the approach. Firstly I'll go dwell into the coding part. This is the HTML file for structuring, and as well as this is used as well as I have used here style tag for styling this styling of the tag. I haven't made a separate file for the CSS. So yes, BMI is a number calculated from an individual weight and height. To find the BMI out, we will take input from the user, both height and weight. As you can see here, there is an input box for height as well as for weight, which will be stored in height and weight variables for further calculations. And the calculation process is simple. We will simply divide weight in kilograms by the square of the height. Now, as per the BMI calculated, it will execute the respective if-else statement. This is the if-else statement. Okay. Yes. From here, if-else statement started. And we are also checking if the person is pressing the submit button without entering the input or not. And in that case, we will provide height or provide weight. If a person is not entering any input and directly click the submit button, it will give either provide a valid height or either provide a valid weight. I again tell you that we using HTML, we are given the desired structure and option for input and the submit button, as I already told you. And with the help of CSS, I haven't made an external CSS file. I've used in the internal one. I've used the internal CSS for beautifying our structure by giving colors and desired font. And in the JavaScript section, this is the JavaScript section, this is the JavaScript file, you can say. We are pressing the taken input, and after calculating, the respective output is printed. So I have here taken the const, I have here used let, not the const and the variable. And this is the if condition I have applied here. And this is the formula of BMI. And I have here made some certain condition, certain if condition. If the BMI is less than 18.6, it would be underweight. If it is between 18.6 and 24.9, it would be normal. And if it exceeds the above number I mentioned, it would show overweight. So this is the uh, logic part, you can say, I've made in the JavaScript file, and I'm running it. So this is, I'm again refreshing it, and as you can see, it is successfully run. This is the title, BMI calculator by Prashant. BMI means body mass index. So I'm entering the height, let's say the person height in centimeter, let's say 170, and the weight is around 65, let's say 70. I'm calculating the, it is showing normal, which is 12.22, and if the person is weight is, let's say 50, calculating the, it is showing that underweight, it is 70, it has the BMI index with 17.30, and it is showing underweight. And if the person is let's say 90, it is showing overweight with the BMI index 13.14. So yes, this BMI calculator can be used to calculate BMI values based on the height and the weight. It is fairly reliable indicator of body fatness for most of the people. So you can also use this to further strengthen your front end as well as your JavaScript as well as your front end knowledge. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.